That doesn't get old.
E85 cold start. Because I still got E85 in it, so technically it's E85 cold start. She loud. She very, very loud.
So far, I hope you guys are liking the video so far. The car still has the 2 gallons of E85 in it. This is because that video that you guys saw is technically for me yesterday. I just did that, so the car still has an E85 on it. I'm gonna do some pulls on it, drive it, see if it feels any different. If it feels weird, obviously I'm not gonna beat on it, but that's what we're gonna find out today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and please leave a thumbs up, like literally right now, leave a thumbs up for that video and for this video that you're about to see now, because if you're enjoying the content, let me know that you're enjoying it by leaving a thumbs up and commenting down below. That way I can continue to make video guys for you guys, big videos for you guys. So by you doing that, you're making me more motivated to do more videos, because if nobody likes the videos or comments, then I'm like, or watches the videos, it's like, am I really impacting anybody? Which I know I am impacting some people, but like everybody that's watching it is just watching it, but not taking the time to just like the video, which is not that hard. Like anybody could do it. Come on, just like the video, literally pause it, like, that's it, simple. That's all I ask. But anyways, so today I'm gonna go right now to pick up my mom. It's the usual thing. I still got to work today. Like I said, the only day I got off is Monday. So right now I'm gonna go pick up my mom, and then I'm gonna try to scare her again in the car. So I'm gonna have the GoPro. So the GoPro audio is trash. I'm sorry about that, but I'm using that in the meantime because I can just put the GoPro in my mouth, like literally, kind of like Fresh Kicks does and freaking Low Tech. Please go. And just put it in my mouth, and that's it. Record. It's easy like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to set up the camera or nothing. I just press record and put it in my mouth and start. So yeah, but anyways, if you're new to this channel, this is my 1.5 turbo Accord, full bolt on. By full bolt on I mean it's pure oil intake, pure oil downpipe, pure oil front pipe, pure oil intercooler, Mishimo oil cash hand, FX350 clutch, FX350 lightweight flywheel, SI transmission, the first Accord with an SI transmission, probably the first 1.5 turbo Accord with a straight pipe, one single exit 2.5 inch straight pipe. Just to give you a quick rundown of what I'm driving today. So yeah, and I also got probably the first Accord with 17-inch rims, because nobody wants to run 17. So those are 17s, those are OZ racing rims, they're lightweight. So yeah, anyways, let's get to the driving part. Alright, car started. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to have content after Friday, because Friday I gotta drop this car off. So today is, for me, it's Wednesday. So yeah, I'm gonna have as many videos as I can until Friday, because I have to drop this car off. I don't know when they're gonna give it to me back, so they could fix that issue with the brake, the emergency brake. As you can see, it's blinking. It's because the emergency brake, only one side is activating, the other side is not. So they're gonna fix that issue for me. So Friday this car will be dropped off. Don't know when I get it back, but when I do, I will be producing content again. Don't worry. So I'm trying to do as much content as I can now. That way, for you guys, you probably won't even notice. If they keep it for 2 days, you guys won't even notice, because I think I'm ahead by 1 day for you guys. So yeah. So anyways, let's start driving. So we're almost there. Can't wait to scare my mom, man. Can't wait. There was mad traffic, bro. Mad freaking traffic, man. I don't know what's going on today. Look at this. There's usually no traffic. So far the car on the E85 is, I haven't beat on it yet, so I haven't stepped on it. So, but driving it normal has been fine. Haven't had no hiccups, like it hasn't been stuttering or nothing. But then again, you got to remember, I only put 2 gallons, so I didn't surpass 2 gallons. I was supposed to put 1 gallon, but I decided to put 2. So I believe I haven't searched it up yet, but I believe this car has a 13-gallon tank. If it has a 13-gallon tank, that means 11 gallons is 93 and 2 gallons are E85. So the 93 is going to overcome the E85. So it's not like it's going to be. It's not like it's full E85. If anything, it's like kind of like a 100 octane type. But for now, I haven't stepped on it or nothing. I'm waiting for my mom to get in the car to do that, because I want to see her reaction to it, because she's not gonna expect me to do it. Well, she kind of is, but kind of not at the same time, because it's mad traffic right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'll have to go slide into Mexico real quick, take like a little shortcut real quick to Mexico real quick, and then be able to do a little small pull. You know what I'm saying? But we'll see, because there might be a lot of traffic on that route, you know what I'm saying? So I will have to make a little space real quick, you know, do a little poop. But we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna rev the car outside and see if they come outside just by me revving the car. Usually my brothers and sisters, my mom, they know my car by the rev, so we'll see. This dude is, yeah, he did some stupid shit right now. Told you, look at my mom. Look at my beautiful mom. She doesn't even know what's coming for her. It's a cord. We're about to scare your, like, technically he's like your mom too, because it is what it is. Or grandma, we call it grandma. You're like my kid anyways. What's up, girl? Say hi to the camera, bro. Say hi to YouTube. Why not? Well, you don't want to say hi to YouTube, bro.
Sappiamo ora da Pignano o ci spiegano da Pignano?
No, not yet.
What's that?
Alright, you know you like that shit.
I don't.
I want to thank you guys. We hit 1,300 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you. So finally got to work. Dropped my mom at my house, so she's gonna be there for a little bit. Right now, just getting started. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys again for the 1,300 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Leave a like button for that, man. We already at 1,300, bro. Like, to me, it means a lot. To, you know, to a lot of people, probably ain't nothing. 1,300. Wow, there's people who have 1 million, 100,000, 10,000, whatever. But every single one of you guys count to me. Every single one of you guys are important, because without every single one of you guys, my channel won't grow. You know what I'm saying? It takes 100 pennies to make $1, right? And you know how important $1 is, especially nowadays. So every subscriber is like monumental to me. Every single one of you guys, because every single subscriber leads to the second one, then the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all the way to the next 100. You know what I'm saying? So thank you. I really appreciate that. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. You know, throw a little fist pumping emoji or something. Do something, man. I really appreciate you guys, man. Thank you. All right, so, but besides that, the car, yeah, it's not running like it was before on just 93. I'm having, it's like kind of like I say, like sluggish. Like it doesn't hesitate or, you know, anything weird or no at all. But I could tell that it's not burning right. So, you know, it's not gonna be at full performance, especially like right now. But anyway, I will show you guys. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let the car do the talking. Oh yeah, by the way, stay tuned. A lot of people ask me in the comment section and on Instagram, on DMs, how I make my car pop the way it pops. And that's gonna be in a separate video. Maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll have a video showing you guys how I make my car pop the way I make it pop. If you have a manual 6-speed, if you have an automatic, I don't know if it's gonna work. You can try it, but I don't know, because I don't own one, so I wouldn't be able to confirm that. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the car. If you want to see how I make the car pop like that, you want to learn how to make your car pop like that, leave a like on the video. All I'm asking for. Leave a like on all my videos, especially this one right now that you're watching. ahead, dude. Do you? Say lies. Policía. Look at this guy. Question. If the speed limit is 25 miles an hour and I'm going 15, why? Dude, why are you doing that? This guy been doing this the whole way, like freaking 5 blocks, going freaking 15 miles an hour. Like, you good, bro? I beat the horn at him and everything, man. This dude is just chilling, like, going 15 miles an hour. I don't know what's wrong with this dude. Either he drunk or some shit, bro. Or he high or something. Cause he got to be on something, because, you know what I'm saying, he probably think he's going like 50 miles an hour or something to be going that slow. Because how you drive a 528 Xi BMW and you driving that slow, man? Go get a freaking Honda Insight or a Prius or some shit, man. Look at this guy, he's frozen up. No, look, green light. Look, green light, and he's frozen, bro. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You're fucking dumbass, bro. Fucking idiot. Idiot, bro. Sorry, but it's just the truth, dude. Well, you saw that in the camera. You saw that in the camera. What was that about? Yo, that dude is the definition of bugging. Literally. Literally. In Mexico.
Previously on Mexico.
Try cop.
No idea.
YouTube, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed those clips. Hope you guys like the reaction of my mom. That's her, you know, she's always getting scared of me driving in the car. That's normal. That's any guy's mom is gonna always react that way, you know, especially being that you're their kid, you know. And to them, we're crazy because, you know, we're young and, you know, we do stupid things. But that's her reaction to me driving my full bolt-on Accord. And I hope you guys like the clips that I put in with the cinematic and also with the pulls that I did. I was trying to put the draggy up, but draggy for some reason is dead, so I have to charge it. Once I'm done charging it, then I'll be able to do some draggy pulls and see if I could beat my record, which is so far my highest is 14.5, but that's spinning. So a lot of people in the comment section are saying it's slow. Well, it's slow, it's slow, it's slow. It's like, yeah, 14.5 is faster than a 2.0. 2.0s do 14.7 in a quarter mile, but then again, this is 14.5, but that's spinning. I don't have no launch control. I don't have any two-step. I don't have no, like, to build boost. I don't have none of that. I'm literally just me and the car. So I know I gotta let go of the clutch. I gotta ease off the clutch pedal and freaking gas pedal at the same time. I can't just floor it all the way, you know what I'm saying? Even if I do it like that, I still spin. That's why I got the 14.5. Yeah, but if I would have had launch control or any of that special things that a 2.0 has, this car would definitely be at least a 13.9 car. Literally, it'll be a 13.9 car. And that's what a passenger that did 14.5. So yeah, this car is capable of more. Obviously, from the cars I beat from a row, I could tell that this is definitely way faster than a 14-second car. It's definitely a 13, high 13s, 13.9 at least. So yeah, people saying in the comment section this car is slow. By all means, it's not slow. If this is slow, then all the cars that I beat are way slower. So it is what it is. People are always gonna say something in the comment section. But anyways, if you did like this video, leave a like. Help me grow this channel. By you liking this video, my video will be seen by more people. The more people that I'm seen by, the more people I can help, because I know I helped a lot of you guys. And every time you guys comment or DM me on Instagram saying that I inspire you guys, I really appreciate that. But help me inspire more people by growing my channel more, my Instagram more, just by liking this video. You could do that. So if you want to keep the build going also, just like the video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video, which will be tomorrow, because I'm gonna have another video. I gotta drop this car off Friday, so I'm still gonna keep making videos as much as I can before Friday comes. But anyways, I hope I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.